On Sunday, Elon Musk announced on Twitter that Tesla, the electric vehicle and clean energy company, plans to build a factory in Shanghai to produce 10,000 megapacks annually for electric producers and distributors. The announcement has been met with excitement from renewable energy advocates, as the megapacks have the potential to revolutionize the way we store and use electricity. What are megapacks and how do they work? Megapacks are large-scale batteries designed to store electricity for later use. According to Tesla, a single megapack can power 3,600 homes for 1 hour. The megapacks are roughly the size of a shipping container and can discharge electricity to run factories or homes when demand from the local power grid is high or during a blackout. The importance of energy storage for renewable energy. As electric utilities move toward wind and solar energy to replace power generated by fossil fuels, the need for energy storage has become increasingly important. Unlike traditional power plants, which can generate electricity whenever it is needed, wind and solar power are intermittent sources of energy that depend on weather conditions. This means that energy must be stored when it is available and used when it is needed. Energy storage can help electric utilities stabilize the grid and use more renewable energy. When demand for electricity is low, excess electricity generated from wind or solar power can be stored in batteries like the megapacks. When demand for electricity is high, the stored electricity can be discharged to the grid, reducing the need for power from fossil fuels. The benefits of the Shanghai Battery Factory. The Shanghai Battery Factory is a significant step forward for Tesla and renewable energy. By producing 10,000 megapacks annually, the factory will increase the availability of large-scale batteries for electric utilities around the world. This will make it easier for utilities to integrate wind and solar power into their grids and reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. In addition to the environmental benefits of the megapacks, the factory will also have economic benefits. By producing the megapacks locally in Shanghai, Tesla will be able to reduce the cost of shipping and increase its competitiveness in the Chinese market. The factory is also expected to create jobs and stimulate economic growth in the region. The future of renewable energy and energy storage. The announcement of the Shanghai Battery Factory is a positive development for renewable energy and energy storage. As the world moves away from fossil fuels and toward renewable energy, energy storage will become increasingly important. Large-scale batteries like the megapacks have the potential to revolutionize the way we store and use electricity, making renewable energy more reliable and accessible. In addition to batteries, other energy storage technologies are also being developed. These include pumped hydro storage, compressed air energy storage, and thermal energy storage. Each of these technologies has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it is likely that a combination of technologies will be needed to meet the world's energy storage needs. The impact on China's renewable energy goals. China is the world's largest producer of greenhouse gas emissions, and the government has made significant efforts to reduce the country's carbon footprint. In 2020, China announced its plan to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. To achieve this goal, China will need to significantly increase its use of renewable energy and reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. The Shanghai Battery Factory is a significant step forward for China's renewable energy goals. By producing large-scale batteries locally, the country will be able to integrate more renewable energy into its grid and reduce its dependence on fossil fuels. This will not only help China achieve its carbon neutrality goals but also improve the country's air quality and public health. The importance of private investment in renewable energy. The development of renewable energy technologies requires significant investment, and private companies like Tesla have played a critical role in advancing the industry. By investing in research and development, companies like Tesla are driving down the cost of renewable energy and making it more accessible to consumers. The Shanghai Battery Factory is an example of private investment in renewable energy. By building the factory, Tesla is not only advancing the technology of energy storage but also stimulating economic growth in the region. Private investment in renewable energy is critical for the industry's continued growth and development. Challenges facing energy storage technology. While energy storage technologies like the megapacks have the potential to revolutionize the way we store and use electricity, there are still significant challenges facing the industry. One of the biggest challenges is the cost of the technology. While the cost of renewable energy has decreased significantly in recent years, the cost of energy storage has not decreased at the same rate. Another challenge facing energy storage technology is the issue of sustainability. The production of batteries requires the mining of rare earth metals, which can have significant environmental impacts. As the industry grows, it will be important to address these sustainability concerns and develop more environmentally friendly ways of producing energy storage technologies. The role of government in advancing renewable energy. While private investment in renewable energy is critical, government policies and incentives also play a significant role in advancing the industry. Government policies can help drive down the cost of renewable energy and incentivize the adoption of clean energy technologies. In China, the government has implemented policies to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy technologies. The government's support for renewable energy has helped drive down the cost of solar and wind power, making it more competitive with fossil fuels. Conclusion. The announcement of the Shanghai battery factory is a significant step forward for renewable energy and energy storage. By producing large-scale batteries locally, Tesla will be able to increase the availability of energy storage technologies and help electric utilities integrate more renewable energy into their grids. The Shanghai battery factory is not only good for the environment but also good for the economy, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth in the region. While the industry still faces significant challenges, the development of energy storage technologies like the megapacks is critical for the continued growth and adoption of renewable energy. As private companies like Tesla invest in research and development, it is important for governments to support the industry with policies and incentives that drive down the cost of renewable energy and encourage its adoption. With continued investment and support, renewable energy has the potential to revolutionize the way we power our homes, businesses, and communities.